In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Photos on Google TV. If you've been looking for a dedicated Google Photos app on Google TV, it's helpful to know that there isn't a standalone app for browsing your library directly on the TV. Instead, Google TV gives you two simple ways to enjoy your photos on the big screen. You can cast photos from your phone or tablet whenever you want to manually show specific pictures or albums, and you can also use Google Photos as part of your TV screensaver experience, sometimes called ambient mode, so your favorite memories appear automatically when the TV is idle. Let's start with casting from your phone or tablet, since this is the best option when you want full control over exactly what appears on the screen. Before you begin, make sure your mobile device and your Google TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is important because casting typically won't work if the two devices are on different networks. Once that's confirmed, open the Google Photos app on your Android or iPhone. From there, find the photo or album you want to display on your television and tap to open it. After that, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the cast icon. It looks like a small rectangle with a Wi-Fi style signal in the corner. Tap that icon to bring up the list of available devices. Now select your Google TV from the list. Once connected, the photo you chose will appear on your TV, and if you swipe through other photos on your phone, those will update on the television as well. This makes it a really convenient way to share vacation pictures, family albums, or special memories with everyone in the room without having to pass your phone around. The other option is to set your photos as your TV screensaver using ambient mode. This method is ideal if you want your Google TV to automatically show favorite images or memories when it's sitting idle, turning your television into more of a digital photo frame. So, to recap, there's no separate Google Photos app on Google TV, but you can still access your pictures very easily. Use casting when you want to manually choose and control what's displayed, and use the screensaver or ambient mode option when you want your photos to show automatically in the background. Both methods are simple, practical, and great for bringing your photo library onto a much bigger screen.